Running webinar ads and wondering if your money was wasted when nobody booked in. You know, you kind of run the ads, you put in all that work to deliver that webinar that shows all that value. You showed up, you gave your audience like an hour of your time at least, and then what? Like maybe one person books in, maybe two. And then you're kind of left right now thinking, was all that even worth it? You start questioning your offer. You look at your landing pages, you wonder if your funnel's broken. But the truth is, the problem usually isn't your offer or your ads. It's actually the gap between somebody watching your training and actually booking in a call. Hello, my name's Tina, and I'm the founder of Tina Sandford Video Ads. Now, since 2019, I've actually been working with online coaches and service providers to help turn their inactive leads and their funnels into booked calls without them needing to change their offer or increase their ad spend either. And in every video right now, I'm just going to share one tactic that can be used immediately. You can implement it after watching my video. Now, what we've been saying is that your best leads, the ones who watch the training, they kind of clicked around, had a little bit of a look, maybe even consider booking for a call, and they're not gone. They're just kind of like sitting in a kind of like a limbo, and it's not going to take a complete overhaul to bring them back. What we found is it takes just one short message, like either a direct or low pressure video that reopens the door in a way that kind of feels human, or a quick message, yeah? You don't need a new ad campaign though, and you don't need a new offer. You don't have to start all over again. You just need a quick way to follow up that doesn't feel like you're chasing them, like you're trying to drag them back in. And yes, you'll need to make a video. And you will need to record a quick, 30-second message speaking directly to those people who showed up but didn't book in. And it might feel like another thing on your plate, but here is the trade. You could spend like about, an hour today creating like 2 or 3 short video messages, but in return, you give yourself the chance to recover hundreds, sometimes thousands in ad spend that would otherwise just been chucked away. And you give your warmest leads who are actually looking for what you got a real reason to reach back out without making it feel like you're dragging them back or making them jump through all those hoops. It actually just feels like it's a human interaction. They love that. This is actually what we did for our clients running a webinar funnel there. They were kind of converting on that front end, but it was kind of flatlining and going down on the back end. But what they saw is like that momentum started to pick up fast, replies started to come in, and their calendar filled without running another ad or rewriting their webinar. You don't need to sacrifice days of your time or cancel your plans just to make this work. You need a focused window, like a quiet moment to record and a few minutes to set it live. But once it's out there, it just keeps working for you because you've actually turned your one-way training into kind of like an open conversation with people who want what you've got. Now, if you want the exact script, oops, she says, I got all this here, yeah, I've got the message, actually it's on another page. It's got the one-way training. It's got how to actually do all this, okay? And then you can actually have this if you want the exact script to record that message. And the prompts to guide the DM message too, because sometimes that can be tricky when you're first starting. But all the steps to set it up quickly are all here in this doc. Just drop a line below and I'll send you this free resource. The thing is though, you've already paid to get all those leads in. And you know how much that cost you. But this is a way to earn that money back without having to overwork or rethink your whole process. You've got people who want what you've got, just give an opportunity to come back to you.